This is a tutorial on how to plot Python using the psout um, settings. So in pscad, we have our project. We click here on project settings. This is what it will appear to you. Basically, for now, you just have to say, click on advanced psout and name the file. For example, I'm going to call it try1 per se. And also click on this one, send on only the output channels. Click OK, and then run this this file. Okay, give me 1 sec. Okay. Once you go, for example, to the folder where you have your project, every time you have those files, you will create a folder with subfiles. Inside, there's also this psout file. So if we go here and then go into tools, psout reader, and then you just want to open that file. So if you go here and then to the folder right here, open up this one. So if you, there's this that's called the component tree. So basically, based on the multimeters that I have in my component, in this case, B1, I1, P2, BT, IT, PT, all of that is included over here. So basically, you have the root and then the main and then all of those scopes. And you can even click here and look at the records. And then the next thing we're gonna do is check out the Python. Okay, so if we go back to pscad, you want to import the psout package from the mhi library. Also, you want to import the matplotlib package. This is not included in the last tutorial, but I mean, any YouTube tutorial will teach you how to do it. Basically, it's just like, again, in the terminal, just click pip, install something like matplotlib. Basically, after that, you have to do the file and then just copy the path of your file. For example, right here, the psout file. Just in my case, I just put it alongside the Python file just for convenience. So basically, I create an object to call that the specific voltage that I have. So right here, I have root, main, B1, and all the traces. So if we go to the psout, basically what I'm saying on these three is I have root, main, and then B1. If there's more here, I mean, you can just like keep going, like if it was a path, basically. And then you just run the file, and then for all the call in that object, you just start to select the traces, the domain, and then you can just start plotting using the matplotlib. And then these commands are basically the matplotlib commands, and they are if you look them up in the internet, they are they appear, or you can ask you can also have the AI assistant do it for you. So once we have this script and then we just run it, see, we have the data as like I of course added like some axis and then a legend and then a title. I also didn't include a 2.5 because it's too crowded. So for example, like 0.1 seconds. And then if you go back to pscad, basically I just plotted the B1. And that's basically it. It's so much easier than having it in Excel, as long as you keep your psout file. And then if you have more psout files, you can just run different cases from the same project, and you can just make these plots. Thank you.